Hey दोस्तों सब कैसे हो? Hello, today we are going to solve the problem find unique binary string where there are unique binary strings of length n in the given array nums. We need to find the num or the binary string that is not present in the nums of length n. To solve this, let us take an empty string initially and let us go through the array or nums. So what we're trying to do is we need to compare the ith values of everything. Let's say here we have 0 and here we have 0. The reverse values of these are going to be the answers. So it is 11 and you can see the same thing here 0 and 1. So 10 would be the correct answer, but the given output is wrong. I don't know why they made this. Just to show, just to confuse us from the easy problem, let us take the current value as the nums of I, I, and if the current value is equal to 1, then we'll append 0 to the answer, or else we'll append 1 to the answer and return answer. And let us check if it works for the initial cases. Yeah, it's a syntax error. Yes, it works for the initial test cases. Let us submit this. And yeah, it's done. So that's how you solve it, guys. Don't get confused with the description. They are